Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Terry.
And we're going to show you today how easy it is to harvest once your plants have finished producing in the Easy Organic Gardener. Terry?
Well, we have our potatoes. We just planted them a few short months, and now look, they're ready to be harvested.
Wow. Now what do we do first?
What we do first, we're going to remove our plant supports. We put these on as they grew. We added these plant supports to hold the plant up. And we're going to remove those first, which is going to allow the plant just to fall back down. Some of this tape can be tough, I'll tell you.
I got mine right out.
Yep. There we go.
All right. So we've got the potato, and its vines are hanging off.
We're going to take just a pair of clippers, and we're going to cut the tops of the potatoes off so we can remove them and get them out of our way during harvest.
And the gardener looks to be almost brand new. Wonderful. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Okay. We'll discard this. We can put this in our compost pile, or we can throw it out and let it decay, and it becomes nutrients for our other plants. So we'll put that here for later. Okay. This is the hard part. We got to just dump our potatoes right out.
Okay.
Oh, look at all those potatoes.
How wonderful.
No digging. Just take them right out of there.
What could be better than some new potatoes? Fresh from your Easy Organic Gardener. And we can get more of these at easyorganicgardener.com.
Or 800-451-3889. Boy, these are lovely potatoes.
I know.
How do you have baked? Oh, I think we're going to have baked potatoes.
Hot diggity.